6 minutes, 53 seconds. To DJ, to Fish. Fish for 3. No good. Rebound by Christian Johnson. To Eric. Eric Rocco. Eric. Oh! Good for 2. 33, 11:20 by prime time. Kenneth for 3. No good. Rebound by Bayan.
Nakapagod yung pulon. Yung kapagod yun. Then bulpul. Buti ko hapon. Kailangan yung pace mo. Pace.
Oh, still again. To DJ. To Fish. Assist by DJ. 2 points by Fish Nova. Assist by DJ.
Sino?
Franchise niya. Wala din si Jojin dito sa ano.
Balis yan o.
Okay. So, Bayan. Oh, good. This is Bayan. Oh, 2 points. Again, Fish in the ball.
Press.
Again, DJ for 3. Assist by Gordy Menegay.
35-27.
35-27, 8-point lead by prime time.
5 minutes.
Erok. Oh, good. Again, DJ assist by Fish. Good. Rebound by Chucky. And Chucky with the ball. Chucky. To Erok comes up. Good for 2. Assist by Mike. 37-27, 10-point lead again. 4 minutes, 40 seconds. The second quarter. Fish. Jump shot. No good. Rebound again by Chucky. From Jimmy's front button. Chucky jump shot. Oh, boy, by Chucky. 39-27, 12-20. Yes, Fish in the ball. DJ for 3, no good. PCB by Kenneth, no good again. PCB by DJ. So Fish for 3, no good. And rebound by Eric. Oh, wow, there's a ball. There's a ball by number 15, DJ. 2. Second personal foul, DJ.
14 pounds.
14 foul. CC Slummers.
That's firing. 4-4-4-4.
Isa, baka makaisa tong prime time. Wala silang panalo eh. Dito sila malakit.
Final free throw for Eric. Good. Rebound by Roddy Maniging. To Fish Salva. Jump shot. No good. This is rebound by DJ. No good again. Rebound by Eric. Again, Bayan for 3. Kenneth jump shot. 2 points. Assist by Fish Salva. 29-39, 10-point lead. 2 minutes, 30 seconds.
10 points.
Eric to Bar for 3. Bang! Assist by Eric to Bar. 42-29.
22 points.
Again, DJ for 3, no good. Rebound by Bayan. And Bayan, the ball. And combo for 3. No good. 1 minute, 42 seconds. 10 minutes, second quarter. DJ, good for 2. Assist by Kenneth Balas. 42-31, 11-point lead. Okay, bar. Good for 2. Mampakan ka. 24-21. The fish saga. Fish. DJ. Rudy, number 2, assist by fish saga. 44-33. 49 seconds. Time remaining. Second one. Oh. Steal by DJ. DJ, lead the ball, DJ. Oh, what a pass to Gustavo. 9-point lead, 9-point lead. 30 seconds, time remaining. 20 seconds. Eight for 3, no good. 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 2 points. 3, 2. Oh, 7-point lead only, 7-point lead.
Tapos,
44, 37. 7-point lead by right time. Mariam already got 24 points.
White ball tayo.
First up.
whiteboard muna. Tapos,
Tapos switch mo yun.
pagod to. Masarap ang tulog. Masarap ang tulog niya, mama.
Ano kayo, 2 minutes? Ha?
Ayan. 2 minutes na. 3 minutes. Nakila. Sarap ng tulog. Yo, it's a good sleep after this game. For sure. Just don't foul out. Yeah, it's so hard. Like, forward. Yeah, it's so hard. Yeah, 2 timeouts. You still got, you didn't use your timeouts.
I know, we didn't even use it.
They don't need it, they don't need it.
Walking back and forth.
Because you don't have Sam. You need to get a timeout. Good. Oh. Okay. Good.
White.
White ball. White ball. White ball.
White ball. Marian for 3. Go. Rebound by Rory. To DJ. DJ. 2 points by DJ. 44-39. 5 point lead only. 5 point lead by 5.
Pahabol.
Depende sa
Yeah.
endurance yan, endurance. Di ba? Oh, endurance, game to eh.
Kung sino ang
Pero
napapahol.
yung pagod ka. Tatambakan sila niyan sa third net. Matakbo na ito.
Good. Going for 3. No good. To DJ. Foul. Pero hati pa yun. Sapat.
Isa lang. First personal. First game pa. May isa pang game or last game na to? Last game na.
No good.
Kaya
Hindi
kaya.
ko win na ba?
More 24 points.
Wala yun, di ba?
32.
Kasi ito yung points ko. 6 kasi yung naman.
Dalawa.
Oh,
Dapat. Lamang sila sa talo ko.
Easy lang po. Ayun, dalawa. Dito po, fish. Si fish na si Gigi. Wala nang mga isa. Bakit? Alright.
Jackie! Wow. Okay, DJ. Let's do it again. Let's do it again with Fish. Again to DJ. DJ, 2 points. DJ.
26-41.
26-41. Jackie. Bayang for 3. No good. Rebound by Roddy. Roddy. Against Fish. Roddy, no good. There you go. Rebound by Maya. Jackie. Rebound by Roddy. To Fish over. No good. Rebound by Maya. Nag-rebound.
ibang labanan dito. 9-9 eh, 9 rebound.
No good. Rebound by Jackie. Oh. Steal by Kenneth. Kenneth. Get to. Good. Assist by Kenneth. 2 points by Fish. Oh. Steal by DJ. DJ for 3. No good. Okay. DJ. Foul. Christian. How many fouls, Christian? Christian just hit 42. Second team foul. Second personal foul, Christian. Guys, bawal na foul. No, you need to have a foul out. If you get fouled out, then it's a game time. Game over.
Atak lang na atak. Di ba? Atak pa lang. Kapag ginagawa ni DJ yun, atak.
Everyone, DJ.
Pag sumasabit sila,
Another one to DJ.
6-45.
Yeah. 1 point game. Okay, go. Rebound by Jambla, no good. Rebound by Chris Sova. Chris in the ball to DJ.
Oh, nice.
To Roddy. To Fish. Fish for 3.
Hey!
Chase Taylor. This is not 2 points. Thank you. To Christian.
7 minutes.
Endurance. The first thing that get time is good. This is an endurance game. Again, fish for three. No good. Air ball. Forty-nine, 48, 46 to 20. 36 minutes, 6 minutes,
30 seconds.
30 seconds. What team has 2 timeouts, right? Ball. Kentucky. That ball. Turnover by Kentucky. Okay. To DJ, assist by Kenneth. 50-46, 120 by $6.
May game book next week?
Ayun.
Dito na.
May pa.
Next week is playoff game. Winner go home. Okay. No go. Rebound there. Here. Varian for three. This is rebound there. Good for two. Yeah. 50-28, 2.8 by $6. Oh, DJ, assist by Kenneth again, 2 points for DJ. 52-48. And comes out, rebound by Kenneth to Fish. No good. Rebound again, goal for two by Kenneth. 6-1 lead, 54-48. 4 minutes. 30 seconds. Good. Rebound by Fish to DJ. To oh, an assist again. 2 points by Fish.
Sarap
Oh.
din tumawag. Ref.
Time out. Flowers. One more timeout. Flowers. 2 timeout. Time. 3 minutes, 50 seconds.
We need to win 30. See, that's the 29, 6. 29 yung naman. 30 points. Hindi lang kaya sa pero may isang 1-4-5. Dali lang. Bilisan lang. Play! Ready?
Good ball. Back to the ball game.
Black ball.
Black ball. Okay. To DJ, 2 points, assist by Kenneth again. Ilang assist na?
Walo.
Walo.
Wow. Adjacent
Okay.
game.
Alright. Chucky. Good. To DJ. To Kenneth. To DJ again and one. Foul by Kumba. How many foul yun?
Dalawa.
2 second personal foul yun Kumba.
13.
13 foul. Prime time. Again, then, this is rebound, 2-1, again. 62-48. 16-point lead, again 14-point lead. 2 minutes, 50 seconds in third quarter. Again, ball for three, good. Again, rebound, 2 points. 50-52. Again, Fish, bring the ball. To Kenneth. Kenneth. To Rudy. Rudy. To DJ. DJ for three. Iman Malay. Ryan. Assist. For two by Jackie. Assist by Mariam. 52-62, 10-point lead. 1 minute, 58 seconds.
Lamang kanina. Pagod. O kaya pagod.
10-point lead, no good. Rebound by Christian Dawson. Pero 2 points, assist by Mariam. DJ. DJ,
Hindi mo huli.
62-54, 8-point lead. Alba, Blanco.
Sa katawan yung...
Three for three, no good by Fish. And of course, no good. Again, nag-ibig ba good for two by 6-point lead. 62-56.
30 seconds.
33 seconds. Foul. Foul. 22. Maria, Bar, second personal foul by 14 foul. DJ shooting for 2 free throws.
Tama ba? Pabalik ba? Tama.
2-1 for Christopher DJ.
Tama kasi po din.
Another one for DJ. Third quarter.
Last quarter. Oh, kaya pa? Kaya pa? Gusto mo?
Blanco.
Ano, papalitan ko na. Possession serve. Blackball ka.
Galing pa ako sa trabaho, nandun po yung uniform ko.
Next week, may trabaho ka rin.
Nagpalit na yung schedule ko.
Pero-
Sunday na yung schedule.
Pero kung ano eh, natin alam yung schedule. Tayo yung maglaban din eh.
Tayo ba?
Oo, kung hindi sila manalo ng 30 points. Si ano? Si, what's his name? Ha? Kanina dito. Oo,
Pwede siya?
Maglaro yun, oh. Pwede siya.
Sino si?
Si, kung ba, si Richard. Richard, pwede siya dito.
Number 1
Pero hindi naman tayo first game eh. Hindi ba tayo? Oo, parang sila eh. Sila yata. Sila, oh.
Black.
Blanco.
Black.
DJ, 2 point, DJ, assist by Kenneth.
Oh! 2-3?
3 points. By Ryan.
27 points.
Minute for 3. Good.
Nice.
Christian. Good. Christian. Oh, Christian. People by Chucky again.
Isa pa.
Ha? 68 ba? 68 na.
Stay.
Yeah, 68, 69. 68, 69. Yeah, 68. What's the score?
Stay.
68, 69. One for 3, no good. This is rebound again by Chucky. Good for 2 by Chucky.
68-61.
68-61. 7-point lead. 2 points by DJ.
Tapos si Chaco,
17.
73.
Defensive green. Double-double na.
50 seconds at that. Good for 2 by Marian.
Kasi sa bonus.
Twenty seconds at that. Fish for 3. No good. Rebound by Christian. Again, Eric. Eric. Good for 2 by Eric. No good. Rebound again by Chucky. 18 rebounds by Chucky. Wow. 20 seconds left. 15. 10. 9. 6. Ball for 3. No good. Rebound by Reddy. DJ to Kenneth to Fish. Good for 2, a 6-5 finish. Oh, Chucky. Good. Rebound by Fish. To Rudy. To Fish. Fish for 3. No good. Rebound by Rudy. Rudy. No good. Rebound again by Chucky. 7 minutes. Grabe Chucky. Chucky got 19 rebounds.
Laban namin kay Joey ah.
Next week.
Pati tayo.
Kailangan wala na ay makalabas ako ng maaga. Ng
Okay,
oras.
1 for 3. Good. Rebound by DJ. Oh,
Peto kaya kayo?
We'll see.
Yes. Laro yun. Sino ba yung kulang nila? Sino pa? Wala na.
Yeah.
hey, Rudy for 3. No good. Rebound by Marian.